Are you ready to embark on a rewarding journey in poultry farming? Biwama Farm invites you to join our comprehensive training program designed for aspiring and experienced farmers alike. Why choose Biwama Farm? Experienced trainers, hands-on training, networking opportunities. Who should attend? New and aspiring farmers interested in starting a poultry chicken business. Existing farmers looking to enhance their skills and improve production. Biwama Farmers Limited, cultivating knowledge and raising success.